Welcome back guys to our Chat.js series. In our previous video we explored radar, line and scatter charts. Now we are taking a deep dive into the data structures used in Chat.js. Chat.js supports data in different formats such as arrays and objects. Let's explore these data formats. So in our previous video we have been making use of the primitive data structure where the label serves as our x-axis and the data serves as our y-axis. But in this video, we will review other data structures that can be used. Let's consider the array of objects. Let me comment that label out. Then, in the data array, let's define objects as our elements with the x and y as the keys. Separate each element with a comma. So it works perfectly. Next, let's look at adding custom keys instead of x and y. Replace the x and y with the custom key you want. Let's use name and age. Then in the option, we define our x and y axis key passing and assign it to the custom key we chose instead of x and y. So it works perfectly. Finally, we'll review the object's data structure. Comment the labels out. In our data, we'll remove the array and use an object instead. Here, the key serves as the x-axis and the value as the y-axis. It works. That's it for this video. Understanding data structure is fundamental for creating effective visualization. In our next video, we'll explore how to use Fetch and Axios to get data from an API. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.